Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying essentials. Power, network, and location are on because the service needs connectivity and GPS to find a device. Once done, make sure you know which account, Google or Microsoft, was used on the missing device. That account must match. Now open the Find My Device app or navigate to the service and tap Sign In. This first action creates an authorized session so the service can query the device state and report its last known location. You now enter credentials. Type your email or phone and password carefully. Autofill helps prevent typos. If two-factor authentication appears, provide the code from your Authenticator app, SMS, or a backup code. This step proves it's really you and protects both you and the missing device. After signing in, allow any requested permissions for location and device access so the app can pull the device. Make sure to select the correct account if you manage multiple accounts on the same phone or browser. You finish by selecting the missing device from the list and using the actions. Play sound to find nearby, secure /lock to protect data, or erase as a last resort. If the map shows stale coordinates, hit refresh and remember that the device must be online and have location enabled to update. This is why network and GPS matter. If things go wrong, verify you signed into the correct account, confirm 2FA delivery method, and try signing in from another browser.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.